So we just spent the day at Craters of the Moon and it was really cool. And now we are at Wild Rove's Hot Springs. It's pretty close to Craters of the Moon. So we're just gonna go enjoy the evening, do a little bit of swimming, soaking here at the hot springs. Alright, we are at the hot springs. I've actually already been swimming a bit, which is why I'm all wet. It's just right here off the side of the road. You can see our car back there. And right here, you can see this is kind of where the water's coming in, up out of the ground at. This is the warmer pool that flows through here. And this big one is the cooler pool. And so that far side is a little bit colder and this close side is warmer. But yeah, we've been swimming in it and it's been really fun so far. So let's go check it out a little bit more. All right, so this water is nice and warm. This pool's actually pretty big and pretty deep. See, this is where the water is running out. This is where the water's coming in at. And then there's one more small pool over there. All right, so this is the warmer pool right over here, you can see. And if you look, you can actually see where the water is bubbling like that right there. Look at that. Check out those bubbles coming up. That was Wild Rove's Hot Springs. We had a great day, both at Craters of the Moon earlier and just hanging out here at the hot springs. It was super fun. Thanks for watching.